good morning. Today we will be continuing the question answer session of chapter 2. We aren't afraid to die if we can all be together. The very first question of this chapter, who is the writer of this story? The answer already you know, Gordon Cook and Alan East. The second question is, what's the name of the special boat of the author was? The answer is Wave Walker. That Wave Walker that was especially made by the businessman for covering his journey towards southern Indian Ocean. Now the next questions, and the third one is, the Wave Walker survived the storm for how much times? The answer is what? The answer is of 15 hours. And the very most important questions of this chapter, what's the name of the island? Do you know what's the name of the island where businessman ultimately reached with his family, one of the island? And what's the name of that island? The name of that island is Isle Amsterdam. It is one of the tiniest island. It just having the shape of a needle. ये एक needle की भांति एक बहुत ही छोटा island था, and where only 28 inhabitants lived there. The fifth question number, Larry Weasel was dash crewman. Do you know what's the name of the two crewmen? Larry Weasel and Herb Sigler. One belongs to America and other one belongs to Swiss. So Larry Weasel was an American crewman. The sixth question, the narrator's son asked his father if they were going to die. This one is the statement said by his son, who is of 6 years old. The name of his son is what? The name of his son is Jonathan. When he saw the desperate situation, the direst situation, he was asking to his father, Father, are we going to die? Next, on the 7 number questions, the narrator along with his family set sail in July. What's the timing? 1976. Number 8, the children were ecstatic to see the island. What's the name of the same questions? Isle Amsterdam. So you must learn the name of the island where businessman reached with his family. The question number 9, in the morning on dash the huge waves rose which raised the boat. What's that particular date? January 2nd, the most important date. January 2nd. Do you know this one is the turning date in this story where businessman faced the strong gales and huge waves, giant-like waves that horrified businessman with. Question number 10. The narrator grabbed the guardrails and entered the boat's main boom. Boom is one of the important part of the Wave Walker and where the narrator reached to. Now the question number 11, the voyage went on peacefully up to Cape Town. Cape Town is such a place where businessman reached peacefully, and when he covered 3,500 kilometers. After that he started to face the strong gales and stormy winds and huge waves that make his journey so troublesome. Now let's begin the long question answers of this chapter that were helpful for you. The very first question, list the steps taken by the captain to protect the ship when rough weather began. When the direst situation start, what kinds of the steps taken by the captain? किस तरह के स्टेप्स कैप्टन के द्वारा लिया गया उस रफ वेदर में अपनी जर्नी को कंटिन्यू करने के लिए? आंसर इज व्हाट? To slow the boat down, they dropped the storm jib and lashed heavy mooring rope in a loop across the stern and double lashed everything. These are the steps taken by the captain to protect the ship when rough weather began. The second one is what? List the steps taken by the captain to check the flooding of the water in the ship. In this question, we come to know how the captain and crewman, how they saved the ship, saved the Wave Walker when the flooding of the water started in the ship. The answer is what? The captain managed to stretch canvas and secure waterproof hatch covers across the wide open holes. Some water continued to stream below, but most of it was now being deflected over the side. Their two spare hand pumps had been wrenched overboard, but the captain remembered they had another electric pump under the chart room floor. He connected to an outpipe. Luckily, it worked and the pumping began. They pumped the water with the help of hand pumps too. So here we come to know how crewman and just captain, they started to pump the water with the help of the spare hand. इसमें हमें पता चलता है कि कैसे कैप्टन और क्रू मैन जो थे हैंड पंप की सहायता से दे पंपिंग द वाटर फ्रॉम द वेव वॉकर एंड ड्यू टू दिस व्हाट हैपेंड आफ्टर सम टाइम्स इन स्पाइट ऑफ atrocious weather the ship the wave walker has been saved and businessman started to think the weather might be improved. And now we come to know about the describe the mental conditions of the voyagers on 4th and 5th January. So in the very second question we come to know what happened with the businessman and his family on 2nd January. Now we are moving towards on 4th and 5th January. The mental conditions of the voyagers. The mental conditions of the voyagers on January 4th and 5th was tragic. After 36 hours of continuous pumping, they were able to pump out most of the water that had flooded in. They were hoping to reach the island safely, but they could not set any sail on the main mast. The damaged section of the hull would be simply pulled apart due to pressure on the rigging. They were able to eat their first meal in the form of corned beef and cracker biscuit in almost 2 days, but their interval was rest was short-lived. At 4 p.m., black clouds started building up behind them. The wind was back to 40 knots again. The seas were getting higher. The deteriorations of the weather continued throughout the night. By then, on January 5th, their situation was again desperate. John asked his father if they were going to die. The writer tried to encourage him, but John said, "Daddy, we are not afraid to dying if we can all together, you and mummies, you and I." The writer could find no words to reply. This line become the turning line, become the encouraging line for businessman. Through this, when John encouraged his dad, encouraged his father, he became motivated and he was too determined and confident to continue his journey towards southern Indian Ocean. Dear students, इस प्यारे बच्चों, इस क्वेश्चंस में हम लोगों को पता चला क्या होता है बिजनेसमैन के साथ 4th और 5th जनवरी को, when the crewman pumping the water, maximum water from the wave walker, and after 2 days Mary with his family, they got little snack. What's the snacks? Biscuit, corn and beef. उन्हें क्या खाने को मिला after such a disastrous situations? Beef, corn and biscuit. Now we continue the situations, the direst situations of that weather. Now the last questions of this chapter, that is very important. How does the story suggest the optimism helps to endure the direst stress? This one is the very important message that businessman wants to convey through this story, that how optimistic, what's the power, what's the strength of optimistic attitude. सकारात्मक सोच, पॉजिटिव सोच की क्या शक्ति है, कैसे ये हमें मदद करती है हमें डायरेक्ट सिचुएशन से बाहर निकलने में. Answer is what? The author and his family set sail from Plymouth, England to duplicate the round the world voyage made 200 years earlier by Captain James Cook. The first leg of the journey passed pleasantly as they sailed down the west coast of Africa to Cape Town. On second day of Cape Town, they began to encounter strong gales. Despite atrocious weather, they had a wonderful holiday completed with a Christmas tree. There was no improvement in the weather on New Year's Day. The author took steps to protect the ship when rough weather began and to check the flooding of the water in the ship. In spite of direst stress, their optimism came to their rescue. Both Larry and Har were cheerful and optimistic. Mary stayed at the wheel for all the crucial hours. A 7-year-old girl, Sue, his daughter, didn't worry by sewing her head injury and a deep cut on her arm. She knew that her father was trying to save them all. She also drew a caricature showing how much she loved both of them. She wanted to thank them and wanted to hope for the best. There was optimism that they could make it. It is also told that her injury took 6 minor operations to remove a recurring blood clot between skin and skull. A 6-year-old boy was not afraid to die despite faced with danger. So this story rightly suggests that optimism helps to endure the direst stress. By these questions, we come to know how businessman and his 2 kids, his wife, 2 crewmen, all were motivated him to continue his journey. In spite of presence of the lots of problems, they never complained, they never uttered a single word. They faced the situations with full of confidence and special courage. So optimistic attitude is very important to all of us. Thank you.